Hi, I'm Ryan Kennedy and I'm an engineer on Team 5181.
And I'm Liam Glennon. I'm a driver for Explorer Robotics.
Welcome to our Week 5 FRC video recap. This week we made further progress assembling the base of our chassis. We CNC'd the gussets, a triangular piece of metal that acts as a shoulder between two frame pieces, and we made a tight collar between the gussets and the frame using rivets. We also chained the gearbox to the front and middle wheels and are continuing to make good progress by building off the blueprint of the CAD model.
Our drive team set up a practice field with markings for the charging station, the community areas, and the scoring zone. And after the programming team finished setting up the subsystems and commands for the DriveBot intake, we practiced placing and picking up cones and cubes with that prototype intake.
Come back next week to check out our progress building the second iteration of the intake.
Enjoy our footage from Week 5.
Close to